Welcome to my channel, everyone. Thanks for joining in. And today we're gonna try the chocolate chip cookie from Subway, and this is the original. I have 3 cookies right there. It's from Subway, so we'll try the original chocolate chip cookies. See how it tastes. It's been a long time starting recording about the chocolate chip cookies in around 2 years ago. So I'm gonna try it right now from Subway. And last 2 months ago I tried the chocolate chip cookie from the 7-Eleven. Let's see how it tastes of this one. So, okay. Very good. I love Subway, but I like cookies. But I like eating some sandwiches because I like sandwiches, and I should have drinks or the aguas frescas, and sometimes it should have teas than just food tea. So yeah. Yeah, it's good. Not bad at all. Nothing happens. It's just the best cookie ever. It's gonna be rated 10 out of 10 from now on. So this cookie to be nice and not to be dead. And that's gonna be the goodest cookie ever. And I have 2 more of them, so I will be saving for my sister Lindsay and my sister Brittany, who wants cookies. So I will be take care of, and I will stop recording my video. So I will see you on the next video for today, or not, or maybe tomorrow. So take care and have a good day, and I will see you for the next video. So take care.